This is Mike with Warehouse Safes, and I'm going to discuss an easier way to install a power outlet kit from Liberty. Okay. Now, when I first got my Liberty kit and started installing these, I just watched the video and followed their instructions. And I come to find out their instructions, there's an easier way. Now, I'm not going to go over putting the spacers in here. There's basically 4 different spacers depending on how thick your fireproofing is. I won't go into just doing the screws in the back. That's all very simple. You can get on the Liberty safes. What I'm going to go into is drilling through your fireproofing to mount this. Okay. Now, the way that Liberty instructs you is you take your hole saw and you put it in here, and you don't drill it, you draw a line around it, and you got to get a little razor blade there and cut the material out. And keep in mind, this is outside the safe. When you're inside the safe trying to cut that little circle, it's near impossible. Now, I'm going to show you on this piece of scrap shelving why you just don't drill in. Because look what happens. Watch what happens. It's just, see how it just rips apart this all right here? That's what's going to happen if you just do it that way. Now, I'm going to show you a trick to do it that way. Okay? So the reason it does this is because of the direction of the kerf on this. And it just grabs this and it rips it. So here's a simple way to make it where it doesn't rip. You simply hit your reverse button. Now it's more of a cutting edge, and it'll cut it smooth as can be. Now, I do it super slow. And actually, on this is wood, so we can reverse it once we go past the material. Look at that. Perfect hole. Now, this is made of wood. Your fireproofing is not wood. The fireproofing that they have on there is going to cut so easy. It's going to cut like butter in reverse. And then this is obviously mounted and goes in here. And it's just nice and simple. So just simply run your drill in reverse and you'll cut a perfect hole without ripping your material every time. And that's it. Thank you.